Hi, I'm Marcus from Thames Valley Windows, and today we'll be talking about the Ecoline and the Highline from Solarlux. Highline and Ecoline are our premium system from Solarlux. It's an aluminium system. The Ecoline and the Highline are primarily one system, the main difference being that the Ecoline is generally used for a double glaze system, and the Highline, which this one here is designed for triple glaze units. And the Highline with a triple glaze unit would achieve a U value of 0.8 overall, which is a fantastically low U value, and with a double glaze system using the Ecoline you would achieve 1.3 as an overall U value. The Ecoline and Highline has one of the slimmest sightlines on the market at just 99mm across the two doors. The Ecoline and Highline from Solarlux is a German engineered system, so it's fully made in Germany in their factory in Mella. So quality and reliability is second to none. The lead door is tested to 50,000 cycles, and the paired doors are tested to 20,000 cycles. 20,000 cycles equates to 30 years if used every day. The Ecoline and the Highline has three main tracks, this being the rebated track. You can also have a DDA track and a flush track. The DDA track has a minimal threshold of about 15mm, and the flush track is a completely flush track for a smooth transition from the inside to the outside. As an optional extra, you can add blinds to the system. These sit outside of the glass, so they're fully interchangeable for servicing, and they pull down like so. There's no fixed point, so you can pull the top down as well. So you can move the blind anywhere you like. The Solarlux Ecoline and Highline are perfect for clients looking for a slim profile and a highly engineered premium aluminium system.